Hello, I'm Annie Sloan and I'm going to show you how to transform your furniture with chalk paint. I'm going to cover everything from opening the tin to mixing to application techniques and lots of other top tips to show you how to use it to the best advantage. First things first, let's open a tin of paint. Chalk paint comes in a wide variety of beautiful colours. I'm going to stir it well. Got to stir well to make certain that everything, all the goodies are there. There's something I'd like to tell you about chalk paint. Look at that. You're going to think that's really strong and too thick, but in fact, look at the way that flows. That's the secret, one of the secrets of chalk paint. One of the most brilliant things about my paint is that there's no need to strip or sand or anything. You can just get going. This is quite a shiny piece, but it'll be absolutely fine. So I'm taking my colour, and how I hold my brush is very important. I'm holding it like that. It's quite far down, and my fingers are on this metal bit, which is called the ferrule. And then I'm not using a huge amount of paint, and then I'm spreading it out. And first coat goes on really well, not completely covering, but giving a good cover. And I go in every different direction. I'm going to go for quite a smooth finish now. So I do every which way, up and down and across, and spreading it as I go so that I don't get brush marks. I'm going to avoid brush marks. So spreading it out every different direction, making it go as far as I can. You should also hold the brush from your arm, your shoulder. Don't be doing this. You're going to make odd marks and it's very bad for your hand and it's harder work. So use your arm, your shoulder to paint from. This will dry really quickly in about probably 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll do the whole piece and then come back and give it a final second coat. Same direction, same way, every which way, covering. Top tip for all you new painters, slip a thick elastic band around your tin, and then instead of wiping the paint on the edge of your can, wipe it on the elastic band. So it keeps your can really neat and tidy and it doesn't waste paint. So that's it. Application easy peasy. With just a few simple steps you can make some beautiful pieces of furniture. It's easy application and fun. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tricks, tips, tutorials, everything. Happy painting!